Hello, today we will guide you through how to become Exness Partner. To begin, open your browser and search for the Exness Partner Program. As you do this, make sure you select the official website, since partner registration should always be completed through the legitimate platform. Taking a moment to confirm that you are on the correct site can help you avoid confusion and ensure you are signing up in the right place. Once you find the official Exness Partner page, go ahead and open it. When the page loads, look for the option labeled Become a Partner and click on it. This will take you to the registration area where you can start creating your partner account. At this stage, it is helpful to read the page carefully so you understand what type of partnership you are applying for and what tools may be available after registration. Moving slowly here can make the setup process smoother. After entering the registration page, the next step is to complete all of your profile information so your account can be verified. Fill in the required fields carefully and make sure the details you provide are accurate and consistent. Verification is an important part of the process because it helps activate your account properly and gives you access to the full partner features. If any section seems unclear, take a moment to review it before submitting. It is always better to double-check your information than to correct it later. Once you have completed everything and your setup is done, you can start exploring your partner dashboard. This is where you will become familiar with the tools and features available to you as an Exness partner. In the dashboard, you can access your partner link, locate your partner code, and review resources such as the commission calculator. Spending a few minutes learning where these items are located can save time later, especially when you begin sharing your referral details or tracking your partnership activity. As you navigate the dashboard, pay attention to how the information is organized so you can quickly return to the sections you need most often. The main goal at this stage is to get comfortable with the platform and understand the basic tools available to support your partner account. That's the full process for getting started. Follow each part carefully, use only the official website, and make sure your profile details are completed correctly so you can move forward without delays.